In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify checkout currency mismatch error. If your customers are seeing unexpected prices, different totals at checkout, or incorrect currency conversions, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by exchange rate settings, market configuration, or the way Shopify updates currency values. I'll walk you through the most common causes and the best ways to resolve them using the latest version of Shopify. Let's start by understanding why this happens. Shopify supports selling in multiple currencies through Shopify Markets and Shopify Payments. When a customer visits your store from another country, Shopify can automatically display prices in their local currency. However, exchange rates are constantly changing, so the amount shown on the product page may not always be identical to the amount charged at checkout if the exchange rate has updated. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the menu on the left, click Settings, then select Markets. This is where Shopify manages international selling, including currencies, pricing, and regional settings. Choose the market where you're experiencing the currency issue. Inside the market settings, review the currency assigned to that market. Make sure the correct local currency is enabled. If customers in a specific country are seeing the wrong currency, verify that the country is assigned to the correct market and that the market is active. Incorrect market assignments can cause prices to display unexpectedly. Next, return to Settings and open Payments. If you're using Shopify Payments, you'll see options related to selling in multiple currencies. Confirm that Shopify Payments is active because multi-currency checkout depends on it. If you're using a third-party payment provider, some multi-currency features may not be available or may behave differently. If the prices only change slightly between the product page and checkout, that's usually normal. Exchange rates fluctuate throughout the day, and Shopify periodically updates them based on current market rates. Small differences are expected and generally don't indicate a problem with your store. If you'd rather have more predictable pricing, Shopify also allows eligible stores to use manual exchange rate adjustments in supported regions. This lets you customize pricing instead of relying entirely on automatic exchange rates. Keep in mind that manual adjustments require regular maintenance to stay accurate as global currency values change. You should also test your storefront by switching to another supported currency and adding a product to your cart. Compare the product price with the checkout price. If the difference is unusually large instead of just a few cents, double-check your market settings, discounts, taxes, and shipping charges, since those can also affect the final total displayed during checkout. If everything appears to be configured correctly, but customers are still reporting incorrect currency conversions, it's time to contact Shopify support. Click the Help option in your Shopify admin, open the Help Center, and start a support chat. Explain the issue, mention the affected market and currency, and include screenshots if possible. This helps Shopify investigate whether there's an account-specific configuration issue. Before contacting support, it's also worth clearing your browser cache or testing your store in an incognito window. Cached currency data or browser extensions can sometimes display outdated pricing, making it seem like there's a conversion problem when your store is actually working correctly. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to troubleshoot currency conversion problems in Shopify. By checking your market's configuration, reviewing your payment settings, understanding how exchange rates work, and contacting Shopify support when necessary, you can make sure customers see accurate pricing and enjoy a smoother checkout experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.